voorbij. Achtergelopen Trebekara, die groep vlak in bij. Die achtergelopen Trebekara, wat achtergelopen met Maal, komen ze maar erop. En hier is de positie uit zijn Maal. De schoenskap gemaakt, zo.
Slowly, unfortunately, not moving completely towards the outside of the circuit. The 181. Wow, that was very, very dangerous under those conditions to the way that car was. Major problems. The 24 back out onto the circuit. And still Blair, he's running in two classes. Junior Hundreds in front of the ribbon. So the board for the restart comes out. Peter Francis Jr. going to be on the outside of the front of the grid. The 213 Bayside and Kayla's Transport on the inside. That is Aiden Erasmus. Peters Racing also involved there with Aiden Erasmus. That's going to be a good one going down into turn number 1. The 181 will be going to the back of the pack. Short one escape. With Jacobs, Ferree and a Passenger and a Fun Escape that's now coming off the back end of the pack. The TM, Dynamort and Silicon car going to the back of the pack due to the cause of the alarm. Number 3. Tow trucks, please. Setting the pace as they come around. Aiden Erasmus in the Bayside car, Kayla's Buckberger, Peters Racing entry on the outside. They go down through turning. Oh, from there on out, it's all systems go. There's a fair amount of gap before we get to Brown Bosman. He goes up on the inside. That's right, it's going to be right around the outside of him. Inside the move, taking the point, goes on that inside line. They run back the slack as they go down the up on the inside because Tristan Steyn was in fact a lap down and Bosman was desperately trying to get through. But as that happened, Derek, what you were talking about, was that Rob Bosman? No. Was that spun on the far side?
And it just makes it that little bit more interesting. 8 laps to go. And we're on it.
I think if there's anybody that can have a go at that bit of the bronzy end, is in fact Collins Jr. And pretty quick as well. So I think the easy part is gone already. I think it's going to be a bit more difficult from here on out. But Peter Francis Jr., he is accustomed to leading races. He can take the pressure. But Francis off the line. Bosman goes round the outside. Couple of ways in there behind Collins down towards the number 1 they go. Collins is following through with that one. Only the medics and the necessary marshals. As soon as we get confirmation that the driver is okay, we will let you know. Connor Boys, I see he's moving in the car. He is moving in the car. It looks like he is okay. We'll wait to get confirmation on the radio. That was a massive rollover. Well, for the folks at home, I'm pretty sure you'll find the camera